Hey guys! Today I'll be doing the 5-color fluffy slime challenge. And the mystery wheel will choose these 5 colors for our slime. Cool! Let's get started! Let's make white fluffy slime. So we need white glue. We have the term that with shaving foam fluffy slime is better. So shaving foam. We mix and add the activator. Let's spin the mystery wheel. The first color is blue. Yes, blue slime is ready. What color will be next? Oh, yellow! Cool! I'm so excited! Red! Spin and gray. Let's spin again. Oh, yellow. Guys, let's spin the wheel until we get the color with which we have not made slime yet. Yes, crimson color. For this we need to mix the red and blue paint. Okay, we have 5 colored slimes. Let's make our mystery slime. Oh, beauty! If you like, give it like! Guys, write me in the comments below what do you think about this slime. See you all in my next video. Bye!